So let me show you how you can change the states and transition. Now, what are states? States are basically a collection of a state of an object like position, rotation, or or scale. So basically a transformation of an object. It saves. For example, we have initial state, but if I add more state, you can see I can move the object a different place, and if I click on initial state, it will go back to the state. If I click on state 1, it's going to go back to the different state. And you can not just change the position, but you can also change the rotation also. So for example, let me move this stone a bit up, and I want to rotate the stone as well. Okay, the snapping is on. Wonderful. And also I can do scaling as well. Like I want to scale the object, somewhat like this. Maybe uniformly scale the object. So now we have two different states. Now how to create a transition between these states? For that, right below the states, you can see another option which is called transition. So a transition can be performed between two different states, state 1 and state 2, or multiple states. So you can keep adding on different state, and it's going to perform a transition, basically changing this changing the model from one state to another state. So here we have selected initial state. Now if I add state 1, it's going to move from state 1 to state 2 in a loop. Of course, we can turn that thing off. If I increase the time, let's say I want it in 2 seconds, so it's gonna slowly move it, right? And you can also change how the transition occurs. So if, and right now it's linear, you can also make it like smooth. Like it will start smooth, and it will land smooth, right? But let's say you want to have a to and fro motion. For that, the simple hack is add another step, and in this step select the initial state back again. So it's gonna go up and down and keep performing this animation in the loop. Let us try and see. This is really good if you want to make any sort of platformer game, right? You can see even the scale is increasing, and our character is also reacting to it.